For those who are new to here, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Subbarao Lingamgunta. My students used to call me Reddy sir. I am an IT Bombay alumni and the founder of ExamPrepTool, an online coaching institute dedicated to competitive exam. The purpose of ExamPrepTool is very clear from the starting: to help students, to guide them, to motivate them, to solve their genuine issues and support their growth. This is the only purpose. Over the past few days, many students have been repeatedly messaging me about this issue. When students come to me with a genuine concern that affects their careers, as a mentor, I cannot remain silent. If something seriously impacts students and it comes to my notice, it becomes my responsibility to speak. Because exam prep tool exists for students, if students are affected, we cannot keep quiet. That's why I am raising this issue. I respectfully request the NIC management to kindly reconsider and withdraw this advertisement before end of this month, that is 28th of Feb. Gate registration is already closed. After gate registration is closed, how can you recruit? How can you do the recruitment suddenly linked to gate exam? How is it fair to students who consciously choose not to apply for gate because they were preparing separately for NIC? How is it ethically justified to introduce such a major change after the registration window was closed? If this was the plan, it should have been announced earlier, before gate registration closed, so that students could take an informed decision. This decision change has created serious difficulty for many sincere aspirants. We understand that mistakes can happen, decision can be reviewed, policies can be corrected, because these all are for betterment of people only. If this decision is reconsidered, students will be very thankful. However, if this advertisement is not withdrawn before the end of this month, we may need to express our concerns peacefully and lawfully. On or before 28th February, this problem is not solved. We may gather, me and all my students may gather in Delhi at Jantermantar for a peaceful and constitutional protest to represent student concerns. This will be completely peaceful, completely respectful, within legal boundaries. This is not blackmail. This is not disrespect at all. This is standing for my students' rights. But I cannot do this alone. I need your cooperation. Dear students, I need your cooperation. If you are truly believe this issue is genuine and affect students, please support. Please comment respectfully. If you feel this issue is not valid, that's completely your choice. You can ignore. But if you believe students are genuinely affected, please stand with us. Alone, I can only raise the issue because, right, few students sent to me. I got to know the issue. I am raising the issue because if my students are having issue, I cannot sleep peacefully. Together, I'm repeating again. Alone, I can only raise the issue. Together, we can solve the issue. Now I need your cooperation because when this matter goes to authorities or legal review, there must be a visible public concern. Otherwise, it may look like a single individual raising the issue, a personal opinion, or even a created narrative. So if you are genuinely affected, share this video with other aspirants, comment your real experience, be truthful, no exaggeration, no fake stories. We don't need drama, we need facts. If this is truly widespread concern, it will naturally reflect in 1 lakh views, 1,000 genuine comments, not for publicity, but as a documented student sentiment. That matters most. And sincerely apologize if any of my words are inappropriate. Our only intention is a fairness for students. I hope this problem will be resolved on or before 28th of Feb. And thanks everyone. Thank you so much.